Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to install Google Chrome on Roku TV. Let's go. Is it possible to install Chrome on Roku TV? Let's check it out. Open search. Chrome. Not found. There is no browser for Roku. What to do? Use screen mirroring. Open Settings, Network, About. Check your network. Your phone and your TV must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If you are using an iPhone, turn on AirPlay. Turn on screen mirroring on your phone. Select your Roku TV. Open Google Chrome. Done. That's it. Now you know how to install Google Chrome on Roku TV. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.